Hello, hello, hello. Just getting the link for the stream and advertise it on my Discord channel. Yeah, yesterday I finished PC movie. Come on, man. What's up? Test. Shit. Okay. Videos, live. What the fuck? Ah, okay. YouTube sometimes takes a long ass time to actually show the thing. Okay. Getting a second screen was one of the best ideas of my life. And the funny thing about this is that I don't know if I told you, but I got this from work. A coworker quit, and he's like, "Yeah, you can have my screen because screens are kind of your property. You can take them home and work from home, or um." And he said, "Yeah, take it. I'm moving countries, and I don't want to carry this thing." And yeah, I just carried it home under my arm, and then I realized it's like a almost $700 monitor. So I was just walking with the fucking like this is the price in Portugal of the how do I say the minimum salary, which is crazy. But yeah, I'm posting my blog in my chat, so you should go there to learn more about it. PC movie was finished yesterday, which was a good stream. Right after the stream, I actually had the 12-hour shift, on-call shift. I'm a software engineer. It was quite funny. Like big problems, I had to jump in and fix things. God bless White Monster for existing. But yeah. But yeah, I was carrying this thing, which is basically the minimum salary in Portugal, under my arm. Only when I got home and set it up, and I wanted to fucking get the user guide a bit to see whether I should configure some things. I realized how insane that was. I'm not in Portugal anymore, but wait, I need to put the music a little lower. Is the matrix 4x4 from here? Where does it come from? Maybe I can. Jesus Christ. Can definitely work with this. I think. Okay. Let's actually start with PS2 M3D. Oh, I'm such a goofball. That's a mathematical formula. Like, for I am simple. Okay, I'm a simple man. Okay. But yeah, I want to take a look at this, you know, matrix 4x4 thingy. Kind of insane class, to be honest. But I'll need it sooner or later, so I better... Fuck, man. All these methods are huge. Where's the allocation for the thing? Is it a structure? Because every time before I wanted to do more. So a lot of the let me show you why I'm doing matrix 4x4 now. Yeah, all the methods take like matrix 4x4, you see, or vector 4D. So I better start with this. Actually, let's start with vector 4D. Maybe it's less deranged. Where does it come from? Oh no, it comes from C-bit. Okay. Oh, it takes a vector. Fucking. Right. What? Okay, fuck, now I need to do vector 3D. Okay, it's right here. What's, okay, 3 floats. Doesn't get goofier than this. Fuck, man, I'm getting a lot of text now. I like a super simple structure. Does it exist? I don't know why. Every time I start streaming, it's when people decide to have conversations with me. Quite funny. Float. Float. So result, yes. This is a vector 3D pointer. Okay, all good. Okay, all good. This is magic to me. Ah, fuck, man. Okay. Yeah, this is a little. I think this is a structure. No, I'll send these stickers. Okay. Basically, this is a vector 3D class. I know from the name, and vector 3Ds tend to be 3 items, either 3 ints or 3 floats. By the constructor, you can see 3 floats. So that's what I did. I created this. But now I'm a little curious. I want to go to a small function. Okay. I don't know if this is a class or a structure. It's so weird. Because no vector 4D. Okay. I'll call it XYZ. Fuck it. So it's a huge ass function. Why are these only used in goofy ass functions? Okay, fuck it. Okay, time to look it for here. The vector. Usually in this game, classes are prefixed with C and structures with S, but these two don't respect that model. So I'm a little confused. Okay, looks way simpler than. X, I think. Float absolute. Let me look for fabs right here. Yeah, okay. Like structures are also classes, so that's not a big issue though. I guess I'm in the correct place. Because I don't see any function calls here. Man, it's hard to find this piece of shit, man. Display glow list. Ah, fuck, man. Why is this not named here? And there are so many calls here. Fuck, man, I wanted to take a look at this small class. Okay. And pivot on this shit. Right here, yeah. So RTPS, and then around here, there's a okay. I will. Oh, what the fuck? I thought this would be. Oh, DCX form. Okay, this is most likely. Okay, this is this for sure. Sure, it's this goofy ass function. And there seems to be some kind of inline going on. Hmm. This is the flow. This is 1.0. I remember this shit. Okay. Okay, the second. It's a vector for the. Yeah, okay, I can understand that. Okay. May I see if the code base, no idea. But the executable, I can say. It doesn't really matter the size of the executable because you can put data inside of the executable. So it's 1.4 megabytes, the executable, and it contains some things on the inside. But I've shown this in a couple streams. What the fuck? Okay. This is how many functions I've done, how many I've done, and I need to revisit. and how many are left. This doesn't mean it's all the ones that are left are the ones that I've encountered and I still need to do, as you can see right here. So I don't think the vector functions that I'm looking today are counted here. No, they are definitely not counted. So, but I can also do something like this. Oh fuck! I need to let me see. 199 megabyte. Okay. Because you see, there are libraries. DirectX is quite big, but I don't use the whole thing. Okay. Man, fuck, man, I really hate how my internet just dropped. Some files is in the USCH. Okay, but yeah, I can do another way. But I don't know why. The past few days, my network provider has had problems with the internet. I've lived here for 2 years, never had an issue, but fucking hell, man. Wait, there was something weird in there. Okay, whatever. So let me show you how much does it... By the way, 1 KB is false because empty files show as 1 KB. So like 2 megabytes, the source code. Like this is not a really complicated source code. I think people overstate how like the things that the source code is not everything. DirectX SDKs are quite big, for example. So as you might imagine, that also like it's not necessarily source code space, but it does add up. So this, so let's just call it a vector for D. It's in lines. Why is the vector for D bullshit in line? Or it's for all the structures in lines. Oof, I'll need to take a look because fucking hell, man. I'm not super familiar with these goofy ass things. Why does it this? Like here it's in line for some reason. It's in bit. I don't know why it's in C bit. Right here. Where does the A2 come from? What? Ah, it's what it returns, okay. Vector for the... What? Oh yeah, I don't have it here, right? No, I don't. Man, but the weird thing is that I've never had this problem. And here, where I live in Norway, like, it's currently the weekend, it's Sunday. I'm not getting a hold of them. Back in Portugal, we had 24-hour support. But now if I have a problem, I have no one to complain to. And I really don't like that. Like for the... Even electricity problem, I only had once. I remember... You see this? Okay, this is definitely a vector for the... What is this as thing? Okay. Oh, it's assignment. It's assignment operator, okay. It's assignment. These are super complicated and weird ass functions. But yeah, okay. I'll make them structs and not... Struct vector 3D. Float. Because I can't see the fucking constructors. But I can see that there are constructors for these guys. Let me take a look. Could they be big man? No, fuck archive.org. Okay. Ah yeah, it could be inlined if I do something goofy like this. Right? If I do float. I do it this way, I think it will be always in line. Oof. Okay, okay, this won't work. I just realized why. 8, 4, need to go up here. I think this is maybe how they did it, to be inlined in every little nook and cranny. Let me take a look at... Fuck, this actually turned out to be more annoying than I thought. Okay, if everything is in bit, then it can explain the inline. If none of these are outside of it... Oh, DC model, render model, okay. Let me look at this. If here... Oh, it's in PS2 M3D, nice.